How to remove account from Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and then click on the profile picture at the top left of the screen. Then scroll down to the account section and click on where it says switch account, and here you will be able to find all of the accounts that are in this Messenger app. In order for you to delete one of the accounts, you simply need to click and hold on it and then click on the trash icon next to it, and the account will be removed from here. So that was it for this video. It's pretty easy and simple. That's how you can remove and erase any account from the Messenger app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.